Hello, this is Alan Ander, and I'm here to tell you that coming soon I'll be having an HD version of my MacBook unboxing. I already did make an HD version of the unboxing earlier today, but I've been having problems uploading it to YouTube. First time it was uploading throughout the website, and accidentally I closed my MacBook lid to go to sleep, and then I remembered, oh, I'm uploading a YouTube vid. So I opened it up, and obviously the uploading failed. Second time, I put it on the YouTube multi-uploader, and it did go through, and then I was waiting around 15 minutes for YouTube to process it when I got the rejected status. Apparently, the movie is a minute longer than it should be. YouTube only allows 10 minutes maximum for normal YouTube users. I don't know if you're a YouTube partner, if you get over 10 minutes. I know some who are YouTube partners and they still can't get over the 10-minute line. Crash Is Geek is one of them that I know. He was filming his Xbox 360 re-unboxing, and he said he couldn't get over the 10-minute line. And he is a YouTube partner, so it's probably YouTube has something in general. But yeah, so I will be. This video you're seeing right now is the first video in my channel in HD because it's under 10 minutes. Obviously, I'll be doing a lot of editing on my MacBook unboxing, and it'll be up in HD. Hopefully by tonight, if not by tomorrow, because I'm gonna be busy around the house. I got some family coming in, some international family from across coming over, and got to make sure we're busy, keep them company. So I'll go ahead and have the video as soon as possible. Make sure I get it under the 10-minute mark, and hopefully under megabytes too, because the video came out around 430 megabytes on HD 720p. And a shout out to John 4 Lakers for his how-to video on how to export movies in HD and iMovie with synced audio, because he's been having problems with his movies. Some of his videos didn't have synced audio, especially the one about I don't know if it was the Blackberry Storm or his return from his vacation, but the video didn't come out really good. So, and he finally found a way how to sync it correctly with a T-Mobile G1 unboxing. So props to him, and also to a lot of YouTubers I've already subscribed to. The Creative One, Crashes Geek, of course, Macintosh 1019, Andrea Tunes, and there's so many others. Um, I'm shouting out to them because I'm actually learning to them on the putting my videos on YouTube, and it's not only about me putting videos on here, but I also want to help out the community. If you're having problems with your Mac, your PC, I also have a lot of experience with Windows. If you need help with something, you can't get something to work, I'm here to help. I'm not a new Mac user. I've been using one for almost 2 years now, so I just got a brand new MacBook, my first personal Mac. Of course, this is my dad's iMac, my dad's iMac right here. So go ahead and drop me an email, my Gmail, add me on AIM. I do have an MSN, but that's usually for my local friends here, like school and everything. So I also have other Facebook and all that. So just use my Gmail address. You can already figure it out, and you can just add me or whatever, and we can get I can provide support for anything you have. And this is Alan Anders signing off, and you have all right. Well, today is December 26th. One more extra thing. So anyone that celebrates Kwanzaa, happy Kwanzaa. Today is the first day of Kwanzaa. So anyone out there who does celebrate that holiday, I don't, but I just liked. It's still the holiday season, and I like to be joyous, even though Christmas is already over. Why is it over? It was so much fun. This is Alan Anders signing off, and for December 26th, 2008. Laters.